Hi friend, this is Raj and you are watching for Education channel. Today I will discuss you post instructions. Why it is necessary for us? Because it is very basic things to follow to everyone who is extracted teeth in the hospitals, and basic things is very necessary to follow all of them and everyone's who is extracted teeth in dentals and at any place where he is like. And after that it is important for us because due to the extractions a lot of the bleedings has been poor, and if you are not proper aware about the extractions, then it may defeat a different type of the causes like dry sockets and bleeding gums and several problems and stories create at the times. After that, I am telling you what is the instructions we have need to follow after that. Post instructions. First of all, when you have going to the hospitals, doctors have consult to you and he will advise to you for the instructions your teeth. Then you have need to follow some instructions for keep your oral hygiene maintained. First of all, you have need to close your mouth very tightly when the cotton is applied at the extracted places. When your tooth is extracted, you have hold to 30 to 40 minutes to press your cottons. After that, you throw out in outside, and then you have need to drink after 2 or 3 hours later as a cold waters, or if you have ice creams and whatever the cold things you can apply at the place like cold uh, like snow and at any things if you have follow, you can apply at the moment at the outside. After 2 or 3 hours later, you have need to take soft food from the other side in which side tooth is not extracted, and then 1 or 2 days later you have no need to do brush on the socket because it may cause to bleedings, and bleeding slowly it may go on to very long cysts, and it may create a problems like dry socket, and dry sockets is also very painful in these conditions. And you have need to don't take any hard and warm waters like tea coffees. It is avoid for 2 days. And after that, if you are taking your medicines, you must take before, you must take after your dinner, lunch, and what if you are having breakfast, then breakfast is necessary to everyone. And another thing is that when you are taking your medicines take in proper times and in proper way, right times can and right way, and it is necessary to everyone's. And don't talk to another persons so much, otherwise bleeding is to become out. Whenever your teeth has been extracted, then you push your cottons at least 30-40 minutes, and you have no need to spit outside, you have need to swallow on inside your mouth. And then this is the basic things which is required to humans for after post extracted your teeth. These types of the problems and to be happened in several times, because I saw that in different cases a lot of the bleeding and dry cases have to becomes with a severe pains in between. If you have sometimes also given to the stitch to you, the stitch is very necessary to remove after 6-7 days. If you ask your consult your doctors that what types of the sutures they have used for the stitchings, sometimes absorbables and non-absorbables, two types of the stitch is to becomes absorbables means automatically it's to be absorbed in your body. If non-absorbables means it is not absorbed in your bodies, it may have to throw out and cut the sutures and keep it outside. And this is the basic things, and which is everyone has to be know about the things, and it is basic things to apply